How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Noco Boost Plus GB40 red light error on. So there's multiple troubleshootings that we have to make in order to fix this. Number one is just connecting the cables or the clamps to the right one. Basically, the safety system has detected that the jumper clamps are connected backwards, the red clamp on the negative terminal and the black clamp on the positive terminal. And to fix this, you just want to go ahead and swap them to the correct battery terminals, and then you want to try again. The second fix is the overheating issue. So if it is a blinking red light, it means overheating. If the red light error is flashing on and off, the internal battery of your Noco jump starter has become too hot. So you can just go ahead and unplug everything and wait or rest it for around 30 minutes just to make sure that it cools down properly. Or if you're in a well ventilated area, you can just leave it for around 10 minutes and then you want to try again. And the last option, basically if it says that no light or won't boost, the battery is dead below 2 volts. If you do not see the white boost light come on, your car battery is likely drained to less than 2 volts, making it invisible to the Noco's safety sensor. So in order to fix this, ensure that the clamps are securely connected. Press and hold the manual override button. Basically, it's going to be the red circle with an exclamation point located on the front of the unit for at least 3 seconds until the charge light LEDs start chasing. This forces the jump start function on, but take note that it is also temporary. It also temporarily disables the safety features of our device right here. So hopefully after doing this troubleshooting, you have fixed the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.